Welcome to Biba Kids TV. Let's enjoy ABC fun song.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce and repeat. C is for cat, soft and purring. D is for dog, wagging and stirring. Sing with me, ABC, learning letters, come and see. Sing with me, it's so much fun, learning letters one by one. E is for egg, sunny and bright. F is for frog, jumping in sight. G is for grapes, green or red. H is for hat, on your head. Sing with me, ABC, learning letters, come and see. Sing with me, it's so much fun, learning letters one by one. I is for ice, cold and clear. J is for juice, so good to cheer. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, with a loud cry. Sing with me, ABC, learning letters, come and see. M is for monkey, swinging fast. N is for nest, where birds are at. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for panda, big and neat. Sing with me, ABC, learning letters, come and see. Q is for queen, with the crown so grand.
Wow, man.
R is for rabbit, hopping on land. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for turtle, slow in the light. Sing with me, ABC, learning letters, come and see. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for van, driving on a lane. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for box, with the letter or two. Y is for yellow, bright as the sun. Z is for zebra, with stripes that run. Sing with me, ABC, learning letters, come and see. Sing with me, it's so much fun, learning letters one by one. Sing with me, ABC, learning letters, come and see. Sing with me, it's so much fun, learning letters one by one.